Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro. Okay, so all we need to do is to launch the power menu, and we do it by holding the power key. Okay, keep holding until this window appears, and now all you need to do is to tap on the restart button. Now tap once again. Now our device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again, and the phone will be ready to use. Also, I will tell that rebooting your device from time to time is good for your device's health, because basically during that process our phone rests, also the RAM gets freed up, so that is why it's good to perform it. And also, for example, if you have some issues with your apps, for example your device is lagging or certain apps doesn't want to launch, that's the moment when you can perform a reboot. Once I had a situation that one of my apps didn't want to launch, I have performed a reboot and everything started working properly. So if you have some problems like that, you can try them. Also, if you have a screen lock after the reboot, you'll have to type it or draw it. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.